And one of the reasons that it was necessary to do that was that Yewande and I really wanted the book to be clear. We wanted it visually to reflect that how the Black community passes its recipes along is not written, it's oral. So having the head notes falling underneath the recipe title made no sense. And we knew that the editors were going to be like, oh, we don't do that, and that's not blah, 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 blah. And what worked is that Yewande and I were in lockstep about it. They had no fight, because the thing we were saying was lucid, grounded, and accurate. And so, of course, oh, we need to see what it looks like. I was like, okay, fine. Fine, here it is. And then grudgingly came back and said, okay. And so in that case, the book just looks different. And then suddenly the conventions of the way the page were put together just radically changed. And so we were looking at something that we actually had not seen before. And also reflected what the Nigerian way of passing recipes along. It honored the truth of the culture that the book was presenting.